Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
How long does the probate process take? This is one of the most common questions people ask when a loved one passes away, and the honest answer is, it depends. While some very simple estates can be settled in as little as 6 months, the average probate process in the United States typically takes anywhere from 9 months to a year and a half, and for complex or contested cases, it can easily stretch to 2 years or more. Several key factors determine this timeline. First, the specific state's laws and the local court's caseload play a huge role. A busy, understaffed court can cause significant delays before your paperwork is even reviewed. Another major factor is the size and complexity of the estate itself. An estate with just a single bank account and a car is much faster to process than one with multiple real estate properties, a family business, investments, and valuable art collections. Each type of asset has its own process for valuation and transfer, and things like selling a house can add many months to the timeline. The existence of a valid will is also critical. If there is a clear, well-drafted will, the process is generally smoother. If there is no will, the person is said to have died intestate, and the court must follow strict state laws to identify heirs and distribute assets, which can add time and potential complications. Perhaps the single biggest cause of delay is conflict. If a family member contests the validity of the will, or if beneficiaries are fighting over who gets what, the entire process can grind to a halt. These legal battles can drag on for years, depleting the estate's assets with legal fees. You also have to account for mandatory waiting periods. The executor must formally notify creditors and allow them a specific period, often 3 to 6 months, to file claims against the estate. All legitimate debts and final taxes must be paid before any assets can be distributed to the heirs. If the estate is large enough to owe federal or state estate taxes, this adds another significant layer of complexity and time, as you often can't close the estate until you receive clearance from the tax authorities. Finally, the efficiency of the executor or personal representative matters a great deal. An organized and proactive executor can keep things moving, while one who is disorganized or slow can cause unnecessary delays. It's worth noting that many states do offer simplified or summary probate procedures for small estates, which can be wrapped up in just a few months, but these are only available if the estate's value falls below a certain threshold set by state law. So, from court schedules and family disputes to complex assets and tax obligations, many variables can stretch out the probate timeline. Understanding these factors can help you set realistic expectations for the journey ahead. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more clear explanations on legal and financial topics.